Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see you want to create animated video like this and like this and like this.
In the land
you
of
can
Bharat,
create such kind of animated video with the help of Google Gemini 2.5 Pro version. These features available on this platform. In this video, we will see how to create such kind of animated video, how to download and how you should publish in your social media. In this video, we will see detailed demonstration where I'm subscription this one, how I get this subscription and how we create animated video. Let's start demonstration on my Mac screen. So first of all, I will tell you where I'm getting this subscription. So just simply type here my PC key platform. This platform are 100% genuine by Trustpilot, Etsy and Google Review also. This platform are selling much more different product license version. We are targeting here AI tool. So look at this here, AI tool. I personally purchased this subscription from Gemini 2.5 Pro version on my PC key platform. Link is available on video description. Now we can focus on our today's topic here. So first of all, open here such kind of tab, here the Gemini. Simply click here the Gemini and boom, look at this here. I have Pro version. So this option is display here, generate with Veo 3 video. You just simply explain here any of the video topic and accordingly the Pro features or Veo features are creating such kind of video. Look at this. It's amazing. You can download this video, and one of the important point, the video quality is very amazing, like a 4K video quality.
in the land of Bharat, over 5,000 years ago, an epic war changed the destiny of the world. This is the story of the Mahabharata.
Really nice. We can create here our own separate video. I just simply provide here. Can you create? So one beautiful girl comes and telling everyone to please share and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks, and just simply raise this question. Create one small video. One beautiful girl comes and telling everyone to please share and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So this is the demo samples. So look at this. Video is ready. I just simply
Please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Research Rocks.
and look at this. Our video is ready, including the music. So this is the amazing platform. You can create such kind of small videos and publish on your social media. You want get this subscription, visit on my PC key platform. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.